Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to cover all important current affairs of 25th June in English. For PDF of this video, link is in the description. For PDF, you can join our Telegram group. Next Exam IQ, simply you have to search Next Exam IQ. In our Telegram group, we are conducting a daily test series of 30 to 40 questions based on static GK and current affair, which will surely help you in your upcoming exam. So join it now by simply searching. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Now let's start. So the first question is, which among the following has partnered with Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission to boost innovation ecosystem in India? So the partnership has been signed between Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission and Coal India Limited. Option number B is the correct answer. Talking about Coal India Limited, chairman is Pramod Agarwal, Coal Minister is Prahlad Joshi, and about Niti Aayog, chairman is Prime Minister Narendra Modi and CEO is Amitabh Kant. So correct answer for this question is Coal India Limited, and this partnership has been signed to boost innovation ecosystem in India. Second one is, recently the Ministry of Finance has released the first installment of 15,187.50 crore for the local bodies for the financial year 21. Now in this question you have to answer who is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission. Very easy question for you. So the correct answer for this question is N.K. Singh is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission. And who is Ajay Tyagi? Ajay Tyagi is the chairman of SEBI, yani ki that means Security Exchange Board of India. Jahnavi Fukan is the president of FICCI Ladies Organization, and Dr. Sangeeta Reddy is the president of FICCI. So correct answer for this question is N.K. Singh. Next one is, what is the rank of India in World Justice Project Rule of Law Index 2020? This list has been topped by Denmark. So India's rank is 69. And one thing, in the morning video you have to do some correction. You have to correct it from 59 to 69. So please note it. Our India rank is 69 and this list has been topped by Denmark. Next one is, which of the following bank collaborated with Effort Plan, Delhi based company, to launch co-branded health card known as Swasth Card. Swasth Card mean health card. So the agreement has been signed between Effort Plan and Yes Bank. Headquarters of Yes Bank is in Mumbai. MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar and tagline is experience our expertise. Next one is, ISRO has received a patent for its liquid cooling and heating garment for astronauts to use in space. And what is patent? Patent is a form of intellectual property that gives the owner the legal right to exclude others from making the same thing. So you have to remember ISRO has received a patent. Next one is, center to allocate 3,000 crore from PM Care Fund for ventilator supply and migrants welfare. 3,000 crore. Next one is, Karnataka Bank launched a new product named KBL Micro Mitra for micro, small and medium enterprise. This product will provide financial assistance up to 10 lakh. So you have to remember the name of the product, that is KBL Micro Mitra. And about the bank, headquarters is in Mangaluru, Karnataka, and managing director and CEO of this bank is Mahabaleshwar MS. Next one is, former Indian rifle shooter Purnima Janin, an international shooting sport federation licensed coach who suffered from cancer from last 2 years, passed away at the age of 42 in Pune. So you have to remember the name Purnima Janin. Next one is, researchers at IIT Bombay has created a chip named Dhruv. This is very important. Dhruv send and receive radio signals to Indian Navig group of navigation satellites that will be used to get accurate information about weather. So you have to remember this has been this has been developed by IIT Bombay, and this will use to get accurate information about weather conditions. Next one is, former MP and veteran journalist Vishwa Bandhu Gupta, who was nicknamed as Balloon Man of India, He recently passed away in New Delhi. He represented Delhi in Rajya Sabha from 1984 to 1990. So you have to remember Vishwa Bandhu Gupta. Government e-market mandates information about the country of origin for the sellers. GEM is the initiative like part of Make in India, Digital India, that allows our sellers to sell their product all over the country. Now government has mandate like the sellers has to include about the country of origin of the product. The product which they are including in their ID, in the GEM ID, must have to include information about the origin of the product. Like it's an initiative to make our country Atam Nirbhar. Next one is, who has authorized the book titled Legend of Suheldev, the King Who Saved India? So this book is authorized by Amish Tripathi. Option number A is the correct answer for this question. Next one is, Rajasthan government has launched Indira Rasoi Yojana for the poor to ensure no one sleep hungry in the state. So this Yojana has been started by, that is Indira Rasoi Yojana, by Rajasthan government. Wasim Jafar became the head coach of Uttarakhand cricket team. So you have to remember Wasim Jafar. Before some days he announced his retirement. Wasim Jafar was the he has the record of highest number of scores in Ranji, 11,000 scores. Next one is, the Mumbai-based Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, appoints T. Rabi Shankar as the chairman and Dr. N. Rajendran as the chief executive officer. So you have to remember this point. Now that's all. Now one question for you. Which Indian stock exchange has become world 10th largest exchange with a market capitalization of $1.7 trillion? You have to answer this question. Now after this, there are 6 questions for you. Now you have to answer these questions. Dampa Tiger Reserve is in which Indian state? Second one is, India first elephant rehabilitation center was opened in which Indian state? Tansen award is given by which government? You have to answer which state government. Check how black rice gets GI tag. Like it is mainly found in which Indian state? Hand in hand military exercise held in 2019 in which Indian state, and it is between India and which country? And next one is, on which day National Girl Child Day is observed? So try to answer by yourself. Now after this you can cross check your answers. So that's all from this video. I hope everything is clear. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and hit the bell icon for regular update. Thank you. Best of luck.